Are you holding off on that phone upgrade because you dread the hefty upfront cost or the thought of paying interest on a financing plan? We all know the feeling. Getting the latest tech is exciting, but the price tag can be a serious buzzkill. Most carriers offer financing, but often, that 24-month payment term still feels too high, or you worry about those sneaky interest rates adding to the total cost. Well, if you're a Rogers customer, there's a game-changing option that could slash your monthly device payments and keep your wallet happy. The Rogers Red Credit Card's 0% interest equal payment plan for device financing. This isn't your standard device financing. Here's the key difference. Instead of the typical 24-month term offered by default, the Rogers Red Card lets you stretch those payments out over 36 or even 48 months at a 0% annual percentage rate. Think about that. Extending the payment period by up to 2 full years dramatically lowers your required monthly payment, making that flagship device instantly more affordable. By having a smaller chunk of the device's price deducted each month, you're easing the strain on your budget without paying a cent of interest. So, how does it actually work? It's pretty straightforward. First, you need to be a Rogers customer with a postpaid mobile plan and, of course, a Rogers Red Credit Card. When you purchase your new phone, tablet, or accessory, which must be over $250, you buy it in-store using your Rogers Red Card. Crucially, at the time of purchase, you need to request to set up the 0% interest equal payment plan. You can choose the 36 or 48-month term right there. This isn't something you apply for later through the app or online for this specific 0% offer. The Rogers representative will guide you through the process, converting the full price of the device into those equal, interest-free monthly installments. A couple of important details to remember: the full amount of the device will initially count against your credit card limit, and your account needs to be in good standing. Also, the conversion to the equal payment plan can take up to 10 calendar days to officially reflect on your credit card statement, but rest assured, the 0% interest is applied retroactively from the date of purchase. This isn't just about getting a new phone, it's about financial flexibility. By separating the cost of your phone from your monthly plan, you get a clearer bill and the power to pay it down over a much longer, interest-free period. It's a smart way to manage the cost of high-end mobile devices, giving you more control over your cash flow. If you're ready to upgrade your tech without sacrificing your monthly budget to high payments or interest fees, the Rogers Red Card with its 0% EPP for 36 or 48 months is definitely worth looking into. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.